Hi there guys, before we start this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like this, and also comment down below what type of videos you want to see. Please support us. Let's go. Hi there guys, and welcome to Az Adventures Cooking with Chef Az. So right now we're going to make some smash burgers, quick and easy smash burgers. Let's get to it. So you're going to need beef mince, you're going to need jalapenos, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, salt and pepper, American cheese, brioche buns, some butter, and the onion. So what you do now is get your beef, get like a handful, and make it into balls. So let me just show you one. About this size, yeah? So that's for one patty. Now finely chop an onion. Fine, has to be fine. Now to make the sauce for the burgers. So equal parts of mustard. So give 1, 2 and a half, 2.5 tablespoons of mustard. 2, 2.5 of mayonnaise, 1, 2.5. Then give it a good mix until it's combined to make your burger sauce. Add some butter to your pan. Just toast your buns. This is how you make your smash burgers. Add the beef. Put some onion on top. Get your spatula. So my one, I just put some foil around it. And literally press it on top like this, just like that, and then you add some salt, seasoning on top, little bit of salt, pepper, and you wait. Top. The seasoning, salt, pepper, and now flip, and on this side season also the salt, pepper, this one, season also some salt, some pepper. Awesome. Okay, and then pop your cheese on top. And literally just let it melt. Now the cheese is melted. Grab your burgers. Add a bit of the sauce. Add your next patty. A little bit more sauce. And 2 jalapenos. There you have it. Smash burger. ChefAz's way.